Hello guys, meron tayo guys, lapu-lapu guys, ito guys oh. Yan, lapu-lapu. Hello guys, meron tayong lapu-lapu guys, sweet and sour guys yan. Naiwan na to guys oh, yan. Ayan, lapu-lapu natin, sweet and sour natin to guys, yan. Lapu-lapu, bigay to ni ano guys, bigay to ni Sis Margie, Brad Nunoy. Lapu-lapu guys yan. Lapu-lapu natin guys. Yan. Ito guys yung ano natin guys, yung ingredient natin sa ano, sa sweet and sour natin guys yan. Meron tayo guys ano guys yung ketchup guys yan. Banana ketchup guys yan. Pang ano natin guys. Tapos may pepper bell na rin tayo guys ito guys. Oh. Tapos ito nahiwa na natin to guys. Meron na rin tayong sibuyas guys. Meron na rin tayong carrots. Ito meron na rin tayong paminta guys yan. Meron tayong sugar guys yan. 1 tablespoon tsaka 1/2 tablespoon na ano na salt, asin guys yan. Ito yung asin natin guys. Oh, yan. Ito salt guys. Ayan guys, oh yan. 1 tablespoon salt, sugar guys, 1 isang kutsarang asukal tsaka kalating kutsarang asin guys, yung salt guys yan. Ito na rin guys, mayroon na rin tayo cornstarch guys. Yan, cornstarch. Ito yung guys, titimplahin natin ito ngayon mamaya guys yan. Guys, mamaya natin balik ka rin ito guys, maya. Ito guys, meron tayo ano guys, sibuyas guys, ayan. White onion guys, sibuyas. Saka ito guys, meron tayong ketchup guys, banana ketchup guys, yan. Tapos meron na rin tayong ano, meron na rin tayong carrots, pepper bell, tomato guys, yung kamatis guys, yan. Meron na rin tayong sugar, saka asin, salt guys, yan. Sugar guys, yan. Salt. Yan guys, rock salt, yan. Sibuyas natin guys yan. Yung sibuyas sa ketchup guys yan. So, yung carrots natin guys, saka pepper bell. Lagay na natin to guys, lulunod natin to. Carrots saka pepper bell guys. Lulunod na natin. Yan. Guys, yung sauce natin guys, tomato sauce, soy sauce guys. Ano natin guys, yung sugar natin guys, saka ano. Pineapple guys, pineapple. Pineapple juice. Guys, yung sauce natin guys, malapit na tumaluto guys. Ito guys, luto na to guys yung sauce natin guys. Yan. Ito, yan. Lapu-lapu, sweet and sour. Yan guys. Yan. Yan guys, yung lapu-lapu natin, sweet and sour guys. Yan. Daming ingredients. Yan.